Enjoy simplified documentation and revision with schematic views. Vectorworks 2020 introduces a whole new design view to handle the complex nature of modeling and documenting rigging objects. Create a 3D model of your rigging objects with Insert Truss tool enhancements, then quickly generate 2D schematic views using the new Create Schematic View command. With Schematic View objects, you can view your rigging objects and equipment in a variety of layout views while maintaining the integrity of the original 3D geometry. This new feature replaces the need to produce similar views of rigging objects using the Create Plot and Model View command. After the schematic objects have been generated, you can reposition the schematic views without changing the position of the linked objects in your 3D model. This will simplify the process of laying out how you will document your design. Because the schematic view is a live reference, you can edit either the 3D model or the schematic view and the other will update. This simplified workflow relieves the need for using separate layout geometry or design layer viewports, which will increase performance and consistency of your designs. Now let's take a look at how we can integrate schematic views into your workflow. In this file, we have an example of a lighting pipe and a straight truss in various orientations with lighting devices attached. In a top plan view, we are going to select both rigging objects, navigate to the Spotlight menu, and then the Visualization menu to select the Create Schematic View command. The command will generate 2 schematic views that we can reposition anywhere on the design layer. You will notice that we now see a top layout for the angled truss, which shows the full length of the truss. If we wanted to see the schematic view objects in a front view instead of a top plan view, we must first select the rigging objects in the schematic view. Then, with the object selected, we can select the new view from the 2D Component View drop-down menu in the Object Info palette. With the 2D component view set to front, we will now see the front view layout in each of the schematic views. Notice that the original 3D remains unchanged. Lastly, because the schematic view objects are linked to the original rigging objects and lighting devices, any changes made to one will affect the other. So if we adjust the lighting devices in a schematic view, we will see their positions update in the original model as well. Let's take another look in the front view to see the updates in the 3D model. As you can see, the lighting devices have all moved to the correct positions, even the angled truss. By working with schematic views, Spotlight users will now be able to document and adjust their designs with more efficiency than ever before.